Okay, what do we have today?
So while you won't catch me wearing a tinfoil hat for any reason, you will see shielding on my PCBs. Harwin offers a complete line of EMC shielding and related products, from clips and cans to surface mount spring contacts for grounding and antenna connections. Harwin's full range of surface mount clips include low profile and corner clips that save PCB real estate. The clips also securely retain shield cans without additional soldering. Harwin also offers a shield can kit with clips and scored can sheets that can be used to quickly make custom shields during prototyping. Surface mount spring contacts, including shield fingers, antenna contacts, and grounding contacts, are available in heights from 1.23 to 7.25 millimeters with various spring forces. They're ideal for antenna feeds, signal connections, and grounding metal devices in tight spaces.